Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. All right, so 4 weeks later, I see zero traces of any kitchen waste, kitchen scrap, any banana peels. I don't even see the paper towels. Everything's gone. 4 weeks. Everything has broken down nicely. During the summer months, the composting process is at its quickest. So this bed has some great nutrients in here. And we can go ahead and start planting for fall. Happy to see it. It's so dark and beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting some of my fall plants and seedlings started here, so we can get a jump start on fall. While it's still warm, those plants will grow so much faster before the cool weather hits and things slow down a bit. So this is all broken down wood chips. They haven't broken down completely, but as you can see, still some larger pieces here that just going to take a little bit more time, but they're breaking down pretty quickly. And along with all of those kitchen scraps, it's going to be really nice. And that was just 4 weeks. So imagine if I had checked 3 weeks ago. Usually I don't dig up. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the process, expecting honestly to see some sort of trace, some sort of evidence that I dropped kitchen scraps here, but there's nothing here. I went ahead and got these seedlings planted. We're still in the thick of the summer, so let's see how many of these seedlings will actually survive the rest of the summer before the cooler weather comes on in. Will you start a fall garden? If so, what do you plan on growing? This is a very crucial time in these little seedlings' lives. I have to make sure I keep the soil moist so they don't dry out. I have to be careful of pests because they are young and tender, and those pests like it young and tender, just like I do. I'll probably transfer this shade cloth to this bed here to protect them. Hi, Delta. Hi, sweet boy. Elocks, do you all see what I see? I see cucumbers on the way. Nice, sweet boy. I I went ahead and hung that shade cloth so that I could protect my plant babies. Shade cloth is made out of a thin material that still lets light through. They keep the plants and the soil cooler than they would be otherwise. Onions. This says echinacea, but I'm not sure if that's echinacea or not. Is this echinacea? I restarted the hyssop. Dill. Borage. Woodworm. Lovage. And common mullein. And mint. I'm so happy to see these tomatoes. It's been so excessively hot. The tomatoes were not producing, not doing much of anything. So I'm so happy to see that the temperatures have dropped a bit. We've gotten some rain, so this has been so helpful. Basil. Oh, this is such a beautiful view in my garden. The kale and the 4 o'clocks and the pathway. I just love this section of my garden. The 4 o'clocks, they never disappoint. They bring such color and livelihood into the garden. Thanks for being here. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.